Mr. President,
whatever it costs, I will clean it up.
Related to that, what is your philosophy really about corruption in the country? Do you think it's a big problem? And the people, the high-profile people who had cases before you came to power, and we've seen the Directorate of Public Prosecutions dropping their cases. From where you sit, do you feel they are innocent?
It is not for me to judge anybody to be guilty or innocent.
Some of them are your allies.
The commitment, even if you are my friend, how do I know whether you are corrupt or not? You know, even if you are my ally. So the ability to judge whether one is innocent or not is with the criminal justice system and the investigative agencies.
Okay.
The commitment I made to the people of Kenya is that I will build the institutions that will deal firmly and decisively with corruption. It is not going to go away in one day. We will have to put up a real fight. And as I do it at a personal level, we have to support the institutions that will help us deal with it as a way of ensuring sustainability. That is why I said the financial independence of the DCI, of the police, of the investigative agencies must get out of the office of the president. Let them run their budget, investigate whoever they want. And I have been very clear to the DPP, I have been very clear to my friends at EACC not to call me on any matter. And I also promised them I will not call them on any matter. Let them prosecute everybody that they want to prosecute. There were days that because somebody is senior, or the president has to be informed, I told them I don't want to be informed. If somebody has been found guilty of anything, they should be dealt with in accordance with the law. Let me also tell you, it is the same reason that I am enhancing the budget for the judiciary, because I want the judiciary to appropriate their responsibility and mandate to deal with corruption firmly, decisively, but also in a timely manner, so that we don't have corruption cases running for 3, 4, 5, 10 years. They must be dealt with expeditiously. And that is the clarity that I have made to the judiciary, that we respect their independence. The Chief Justice is free to call me whenever she has called me a few times to discuss with me. She wants additional charges. I pushed to Parliament that let us have an additional 70 charges. Parliament went and reduced it to, I think, 50, which is okay. It's a good start, you know, because I think we need more men and women in the judiciary to adjudicate on all cases, including corruption cases. She about the budget. We can discuss with her the areas they wanted in the budget. They wanted a few. They wanted this small claims court. We provided the funding for it. The first one is in Nairobi. We gave them the resources to make sure that they begin the small claims court, and another hustler court. It's a smaller court. I don't know whether I'm saying the right one, but that one. Because she said she wants to do bottom up.
Small claims courts.
Small claims.
Yeah, so we provided the resources for it. She came back to me and told me she wants to complete, I think they have about 20 different buildings in different places for courts around the country. That's why I have put money, because that's why I have given them an extra 4 billion shillings, because it is my commitment that we should build the capacity of the judiciary to be able to handle cases. We should build the capacity of the DCI. We should build the capacity of the EACC so that they can do their job. I cannot do everything. I'm a human being.
That's true, Your Excellency.